The decision that we decided to have home automation and solar panels was quite early on when I designed the home, or Billy and I designed the home. We always wanted to be eco-friendly, but also have a smart home just to bring it up to date with like modern technology and just what's around today.
We chose Middy's after having a conversation with our electrician Mitch from Hayes Power. Mitch obviously works on a lot of high-end homes and modern homes, and he uses a lot of Middy's, and they obviously got a great reputation, and we thought it was a great idea to put it in our home. The process has been seamless. So we've had Nick from Middy's come out and explain all the products and the way they work, and then once Mitch from Hayes Power has come out and installed them and set them up, we really understand how it all works, and it's quite simple to use.
We're actually really excited because they've even let us know that we can choose groups of settings, how we want to turn things on, so you could have fans going on or curtains rising in the morning to music. I think it's kind of endless. If you have kids, it's actually really handy.
Our young fella leaves his light on quite a fair bit, so...
Although Billy also leaves our bathroom light on a fair bit as well. I can see it from a couple of the horse paddocks. So mind you, I could be outside about 10 kilometres away and I could be turning off a light.
You can do it from anywhere in the world. As long as you've got Wi-Fi, you can actually tap in and turn your lights on and off even when you're away travelling, so it looks like that someone's at home.
But don't be playing tricks on us when you're away, that'd be great.
I think it's exceeded our expectations. You know, firstly with the Nero and how simple it is to use and how convenient it is, but also with the LG solar panels that come with a 25-year warranty. It's certainly going to help our power bills, but it's also going to help the environment, so it puts our mind at ease there. Absolutely recommend Middy's. I think the product's amazing, and couldn't be happier with Middy's.
We've enjoyed the whole experience.
The whole process has been seamless and a lot easier than I'd expected.
Yeah. Look out for the pink. I'm sure you won't miss them.